Hey everybody, welcome back to BigRedEDC. Well, huge shout out to Maxpedition. They have sent us yet another pouch to check out. And this one, I'm digging it because this is the double-decker. It's the double-decker mini because it's the 4x6 size. There is a 5x7 size as well. And instead of mini, it is just referred to as the 5x7 or the double-decker EDC, I guess. But don't let it fool you guys. 4x6, you can EDC these things all day long. And the dual pocket, this first time I've seen this, I hadn't seen it prior to Maxpedition reaching out. And I'm like, oh yeah, I want to check that out. But, okay, 1000 denier, abrasion-resistant nylon. You've got the Teflon protection as well. YKK zippers as always, and you get it opened up and you've got that Duraflex hardware going on in between. Now we've kind of seen this on, this is very familiar, right? You've got your smaller elastic loops there, to put your smaller items, your pens, potentially your slip joints, that type of thing. Then you've got the larger ones for your larger knives. You've got the big pockets, both sides, pretty much. And then you do have the larger elastic right here. So, I got it. Nothing too groundbreaking, just your regular, everyday Maxpedition goodness. But what I like about this one, of course, you've got the MOLLE compatible on the back, and you do got your hook and loop there on the front. You got your hanging hoop up here as well. But all right, this pocket, I'm really digging it. I didn't fully load this one out, but I did put a notebook in there. Got the log and jotter notebook just to show you how large that mesh pocket is. Very cool. But you've got this larger open area over here, and you guys know you can stuff stuff in here. So I mean, you could do, this would make a heck of a med kit because you could put all your smaller stuff over here. I mean, you put some larger stuff in the pockets, but you could potentially put some large gauze and bandages in here, possibly even in an Israeli bandage, because those are usually compressed, air sealed, basically. They've had all the air drawn on them, so they're really compact. You could fit stuff like in there, and then, like I said, this pocket is definitely large enough to get a full-size log and jotter notebook in there. That just means the 5x7, you're going to be able to stuff that much more stuff in, which is very, very cool. And of course, you do have your hook and loop net mesh pocket on front as well. I think this is pretty awesome. I don't know, the single pocket, this is sort of normally what we see right here, from our Maxpedition, EDC pouches, right? But this just kind of adds a whole nother aspect of what you could stuff into this thing. I mean, there you go. There's one. And, it's stuffed. It is stuffed full. This isn't a double-decker, but this is just a single pouch. Imagine what you could do with this double-decker. Holy cow. That is absolutely crazy. I mean, you could go so far as to do one side fire, potentially one side first aid. There you go. Tell me down in the comments, what would you do? What would you do with the double-decker? How would you set up a double-decker? That'll be fun. Put that down in the comments, guys. But, of course, I have the black version here. They also come in khaki. They come in wolf gray. Like I said, there is the 5x7, the larger edition as well. Now, I'm showing the black one on Amazon right now. I'm showing it at $24. The khaki and the wolf gray, they're a little bit a different price depending on which one you get. So, just keep that in mind. But the black that I have here was sitting at $24. So well worth it. Well worth it in my book. But these things come in so handy. I love these Maxpedition pouches. They are super tough, super durable. They hold up. I don't know how long this one's probably been packed full for riding around in my truck and in my pack in my truck for Years. Probably 3-4 years. Easily. Without, yeah, has to be. Has to be that long. So they're super durable. They hold up. And they protect. They protect what's inside. So, again, huge shout out to Maxpedition. I greatly appreciate them sending out the Double-Decker Mini to check out. And like I said, guys, down in the comments, let me know how you would pack out the Double-Decker Mini. Yeah, that should be fun. But thanks a lot, guys. Hope you have a great rest of your weekend. Thanks so much for stopping by. Like, subscribe, leave me that comment. You know I love talking to you. And until next time, I'll talk to you later, guys. Bye-bye.